Assalamu alaikum, my name is Bashir Zeb and I am from Haripur, Pakistan, and currently studying in Dublin, Ireland. So I did my IELTS from Royal Academy Haripur and got 7 bands. So actually one of my family members who did IELTS himself from the Royal Academy recommended me the place, and he's also in Dublin currently because he got the good bands as well. So my experience at the Royal Academy was actually pretty good because the only thing you want to learn is the basics and the tricks, and the teacher there, Sir Obed, I think he did a very good job there, and he taught us all the basics and the techniques and tricks which really helped me to get the bands I wanted. So I got to 7 bands, and I want to say that the experience was really good. And if you want to get the bands, go to the Royal Academy. Thank you.